Hello, and thank you for your interest in easy log structures. We use pre-cut, numbered components that stack just like a giant Lincoln log set. Designed for easy assembly, they are the perfect do-it-yourself project. This unique method of construction is manufactured in Europe and was introduced to North America in 2010. Today there are successful dealers across Canada and the US. The variety of standardized kits offered are almost endless, from small sheds to decorative backyard structures that can be used for everything from hot tubs and swimming pool change rooms, to backyard offices, guest cabins, potting sheds, gazebos, game rooms, smoking lounges, she sheds and man caves or any extended living space. In addition, the selection of models includes small and large cabins, plus year-round homes, that offer some of the best value anywhere. Our home kits come in wide variety of standard designs which can be modified, and we can produce fully custom designs to suit the customer's needs. This is an ideal addition for construction-related businesses that have a location to display a variety of models, and have the financial ability to maintain inventory. Dealers are provided a comprehensive support package, including exclusive territory where no other dealer will be established. If you wish to learn more about becoming an easy log structure dealer, visit our website, complete the dealer inquiry form, and a representative will be pleased to address your questions.